Hi chickies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing or unbagging a monthly subscription called Splendies. In case you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love it if you would be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So if you haven't heard of Splendies, it is a monthly subscription for underwear. Inside, you will receive 3 luxurious new pairs of undies. Now today's video is in partnership with Splendies. Thank you so much to Splendies for partnering with me for today's video. Splendies does start at $13.99 and you also have the option of choosing 3, 6, or a 12-month plan. Also, you can skip a month before the 8th of every month and you will not be charged. They have sizes from extra small all the way up to 4X. Their sizing does run a bit smaller, so you definitely want to size up. And another great thing about this company is that anyone who posts their Splendies online with the hashtag give a pair, they donate a pair to somebody in need, which I think is such a great cause. We are actually going to dive right in to the December Splendies unbagging. Let's go ahead and open this. Now, just for size reference, I did choose the size small. It's in this tissue paper with a sticker that says Splendies. Kind of want to surprise you guys. So the first pair I have, ooh, these are actually very cute. So these are the first ones. How adorable is this, right? A lace thong, and I love this little crisscross up detail in the front with the bow. I also like how it is a mesh thong. I think this next pair is perfect, especially for the winter season. So this is the next pair, which has more of like a garter band. It also has a bow in the middle, and this front part of the underwear is actually velvet. And the backing is lace. So I really love the details on this. Again, this is in a size small. Oh, this one's cute too. I like the color and it's so soft. The last one is this pair of underwear. It has this bow detail in the front, but look at the back of this. It's a lace, like a cream colored lace. And I generally love underwear like this because it's so super comfortable. So these are the 3 items that I received this month for the Splendies subscription. Also, we're so generous to provide a coupon code where you can receive $4 off your first month subscription if you use the code Splendies. I'm going to link them down below in the description box. Let me know what you guys think of the pieces that were in my Splendies. If you guys enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you chickies so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for a brand new video. Mwah.